Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play football. To begin, understand that two teams of 11 players compete on a field 100 yards long, plus two 10-yard end zones. The goal is to score more points than your opponent by moving the ball into their end zone. One team plays offense, attempting to advance the ball, while the other plays defense, trying to stop them. It's a dynamic game of strategy and athleticism. When your team is on offense, you have 4 chances, called downs, to move the ball at least 10 yards forward. Successfully gaining 10 yards earns you a first down, which gives you another set of 4 downs. You can advance the ball by running with it or by passing it to an eligible receiver. The quarterback is usually the one who starts each play, orchestrating the team's movement. On defense, your main objective is to stop the opposing offense from gaining 10 yards or scoring. Defenders achieve this by tackling the player carrying the ball, bringing them to the ground. Another exciting way to gain possession is by intercepting a pass thrown by the opposing quarterback. If the ball carrier drops the ball, it's called a fumble, and either team can recover it, potentially changing possession. Scoring is how you win the game. The most common way is a touchdown, worth 6 points, achieved by carrying or catching the ball in the opponent's end zone. After a touchdown, you can kick for 1 extra point or attempt a 2-point conversion. Kicking the ball through the uprights for a field goal earns 3 points. Finally, a safety gives 2 points to the defense if they tackle an offensive player in their own end zone.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.